Bye bye. Bye bye pickup truck. Sold. Pickup truck of Sunny is sold. Just now. Okay, bye bye. Wala na akong pambenta ng kalakal, guys. So ayan ayan guys, nabenta na.
Por eso te dije que te apuraras.
Bye bye.
And the people